if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You can see the future videos. If you don't know about AI, let me tell you a little bit about AI. AI means artificial intelligence. It sounds big, but it's about teaching a computer to think and learn. It's an electronic brain that helps us to do things easier. Now I'm becoming a Superman through AI. Let's do it. The first step is to take a photograph of yourself. Let's take the photograph. For this task, we are using Sora platform. Now we are at the Sora platform. This is how it looks. Now attach your photo. Now type this command. After you type this command, please press the remix button. It's always important to put the image before doing the video. You get two options. You can select the one that you like the most. So I'm selecting this one. There is a button below your photo and it says create video. Press on that button. Now type this command. And press remix. It will take a couple of minutes to generate the video. It will take This is how the output looks like. Oh, I'm in the sky like Superman! So friends, you could also try this with not only Superman but with lots of other superheroes. All the commands are in the video description. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.